Hi and welcome. This is a quick video to show you how to find the site builder. What you'll need to do is come over to the Good Web Business Hosting. I'll leave you a link in the description so you can find this page. And when you arrive here, if you scroll right down to the very bottom of the page and click on Site Builder Creating Tool, this will then bring up all your templates. And what you can do, you can click here and load more. And what you can do is just, let's say we pick a template, let's say we pick this particular template. You will also get a welcome guide which you can look through, and we'll come out of that. This is the template. You can change anything on the template, and you can use the content block. This will give you all the different elements you can use, and all you would do is just drag and drop them across, which I'll show you that in a minute. You've got design, you can change all your colors, menu design. You've got settings, you can add and take away your pages here. You can do your SEO meta tag, and there's also other things you can do. There's our apps, so there's all different apps, so we can add these to the actual website as well. And then your files, you can add all your different files as well, or upload them from the computer. And to actually add an element, if you just click on the plus sign, click on that, this then brings this up, and then you can choose whatever elements you want by just clicking on it, and then it will actually add it to the template. So what I'll do is I'll do other videos to show you how to actually build a website using all these different tags down this side. So thanks for looking, and I'll see you on the next video.